Hello, lovely viewers. ChatGPT, yes. Today I'll tell you how to use ChatGPT to learn English. It actually knows English very well than the other language. You definitely can have it as an alternative of your English teacher and books. Let's have a quick look how to use it. At first, search on Google by ChatGPT, then you will get this website list as a search result, and probably you will have your link in first row, and click here to get open the main interface of ChatGPT. If you did not register before, you might not get it like this, but I'm not gonna show you how to register because you will get many videos on YouTube regarding it. So let's get started. Suppose you don't have a clear knowledge about a present perfect continuous tense, then right here give me 10 sentence examples of present perfect continuous tense, and finally enter. Yes, we have got 10 sentences. Very nice. Let's read a couple of those. Number one, she has been reading for her exam all afternoon. Number two, they have been working on this project for 3 weeks. Number three, I've been waiting for you at the coffee shop since 3 p.m. Number four, he has been practicing the piano for hours. Most of the sentences are written using for, but we need to know how to use a since in a perfect continuous tense. So we can write again, give me more 5 sentences with since, and enter again. Here we have got 5 more. I have been learning French since last year, and my language skill have been improved significantly. Number two, they have been renovating their house since January, and it's finally starting to look great. Here it's given us since in every examples. Even you can get meaning of an English content. It may be news from newspaper. Just copy the news and paste into the chat box. And right next to it, please explain the meaning in easy English. Then you will see the magic of it. Even you can check your sentence whether it is wrong or right. I'm going to show you again. I'm just writing a grammatically incorrect sentence. He play football. Is there any grammar mistake? And enter. Yes, there is a grammar mistake in the sentence. He play football. The correct form should be he plays football. Wow, amazing. We also got the grammar explanation, and it is in the correct sentence, we use the third person singular number of the verb play, which is plays. To agree with the subject, I think you have got the way to use ChatGPT for learning English. You can exploit it in many other words. It's time to say goodbye. So keep learning until the next video. Bye bye.